This is a simple and fast review of the Aurivo 60-volt Greenworks replacement battery. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this out of its box, really simple, pretty standard. So we'll go ahead and charge it up and go from there. All right, so I tested this with a couple different things. It actually worked really nicely. If anything, the battery is probably like 95% as comparable to the brand new Greenworks, but like these things are so great. I absolutely love these. I have 60 and 80 volts, and I use them all over the place. And a variety of different products and stuff. So 60s only work with 60s, obviously, but these are a great replacement if you're looking to save some money and get just about the same great value. So to me, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped you, and thanks for watching.